What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take the shifter knob off a manual four-wheel drive shifter in this 2015 Chevy Silverado. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Remove the shifter knob. You're going to grab the shifter knob and very forcefully, and you're going to pull up very hard. It's actually pretty difficult to pull it off, but it does come up. To reinstall it, just line it up. It is notched, and then push it down till it locks in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.